In this video, I'll show you how to make money selling stickers on Etsy using AI. First, start by choosing a niche for your stickers. Popular niches include cute animals, motivational quotes, productivity themes, gaming, and aesthetic designs. Picking a specific niche helps your stickers stand out and attract the right buyers. Next, use an AI image generator to create your sticker designs. You can generate illustrations, characters, or themed artwork based on your niche. Once the design is ready, download the image and make sure it has a transparent background so it works well as a sticker. After that, you can refine the design in a tool like Canva or another graphic editor. Adjust the size, improve the colors, and export the file in high resolution so it prints clearly. Now go to Etsy and create a new listing. Open Shop Manager, click Listings, and select Add a Listing. Upload attractive preview images showing how the sticker looks on items like laptops, water bottles, or explain what buyers will receive. Set the product as a digital download, add relevant keywords, and write a clear description. With multiple planner listings and good keywords, your shop can begin generating consistent digital sales. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.